Welcome to Invoix.biz, the cloud-based platform designed to simplify invoicing for SMEs. Start by visiting www.invoix.biz. From here, you can choose to sign up or log in from the top right menu. Choose the plan that suits your business, either the basic plan or standard plan. Click Choose Plan to get started. Fill in your business details, email and password to create your account. Already have an account? Go to the login page. Enter your email and password. Click Login or use Login with email link if you prefer passwordless access. Forgot your password? Just click Forgot Password to reset it quickly. If you have any questions, scroll down to the Contact Us section and drop us a message. Our support team is here to help. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.